English speaking practice. Please answer the question and repeat what I said. What am I doing? I am. In the morning. Yes, I am waking up in the morning. What am I doing? I am. My face. Yes, I am washing my face. What am I doing? I am. In the morning. Yes, I am having breakfast in the morning. What am I doing? I am. The car keys. Yes, I am putting away the car keys. What am I doing? I am. In the kitchen. Yes, I am cooking in the kitchen. What am I doing? I am. Of the family room. Yes, I am sweeping the floor of the family room. What am I doing? I am. The refrigerator door. Yes, I am opening the refrigerator door. What am I doing? I am. My teeth. Yes, I am brushing my teeth. What am I doing? I am. To work. Yes, I am driving to work.